to another restoration story from Malnad Automotive Kupar. Today's build is something truly special. A Gypsy that came to us all the way from green lands of Thirthahalli. This vehicle was mainly used for agriculture purpose. The owner, Mr. Rajatana, is not just a farmer. He is a passionate off-roader and a proud member of Thirthahalli Motorsports Club. He wanted to give his trusted Gypsy a brand new life and a bold new identity. We started with a complete teardown. Every rusted section was cut off and rebuilt, from the floor to the frame. Everything was reinforced. This vehicle was rewired, repainted and upgraded mechanically, turning it from an old workhouse into something more truly special. As you will see in this video, this Gypsy had rusted badly over the years. The body was damaged, performance had dropped, and it needed a fully rebuild. And here is something that a lot of people have been asking us about: facelifts. Now we offer affordable full body facelifts, like converting a 2006 model Innova to a 2014-15 shapes and upgrading a 2010 Fortuner to 2014-15 facelifts, and even giving a premium model looks like from a BMW, Mercedes and latest designs as well. And here it is. Rebuilt as a true off-road beast. A rough stance, clean finish, and trail-ready strength. Rajatana's Gypsy is now ready for both farm use and off-road. From Thirthahalli's fields to wildest tracks, this machine now reflects the passion of its owner and the spirit of Thirthahalli Motorsports Club. At Malnad Automotive Koppa, we don't just restore gypsies. We build machines, carry history, purpose and passion. If you have a dream to build a gypsy, reach out to us. Let's bring it to the life. If you liked our video, do follow us on all the social media platforms and support us. Your encouragement keeps us going. We have got more exciting builds coming on your way, only from Malnad Automotive Koppa.